how to install fonts in Affinity Designer. So you're just gonna have to put in mind that installing fonts in the app itself isn't possible, since instead Affinity automatically uses fonts that are already installed on your system. So technically what you're gonna have to do is to just download your font via a font website. We recommend the font over here, so you can go to this website. There are a lot of free ones you can use. Download the file, and once you have it, just go ahead to the file itself and extract it. So to extract, just go ahead and do this. I don't really think you need to extract it, but just do it anyway. But once you do that, just go ahead to the file. Usually the file that says the OTF or TTF, but something like this, open type font file. So once you have that file, you're just gonna go ahead and right click and open, or just left click again. Once you open it up, there will be an install option. Just go ahead and press on that, and it's gonna install the font to your system. So the font name is going to be Chandia. So if you go ahead to your Affinity Designer and take a look at the fonts and go to Chandia, it should automatically be added. So that's pretty much how you add or install fonts in Affinity Designer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.